What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be a quick update on a POL. So if you are interested what I'm currently thinking about this coin and what is the exact price that I'm expecting this coin is gonna hit from the current pump, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a 4-hour chart. Right now, I'm expecting that from this pump, we are gonna grab liquidity above this bearish order block, which is the current main resistance. This area is between level 0.3163 and 0.2994. And this will be also really critical, because if you are, for example, asking if it's like a good opportunity to open a long position right now, then in my opinion, definitely no, because of course there is some risk that this coin will flip and it will go down, but also we don't have here a good area where we can place our stop loss, because the closest area is under this previous lows, which is not that good stop loss, and it's also give us like stop loss around 16.7% of a net market. So the potential risk reward will be like 1.5, which is definitely not great. On the other hand, if we are gonna retest this area, this can give us opportunity for opening both long and short position. It will depend how the price action will react on this level. Let's start with that long position. To open here a long position, I want to see breakout and then support confirmation of this area. Stop loss, in this case, you need to then place under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. Last take profit targets, you can then place definitely above this previous important highs, which is next important resistance, because you can see if I'm gonna switch, for example, on a 12-hour chart, in this area we actually don't have that much liquidity, and also on the 12-hour chart you can see this is above all important resistances. So this trade can give you risk reward ratio up to 10.1, which is really great, but keep in mind this is not going to be your final risk reward ratio, and you need to take multiple take profit targets. Some of the profits you definitely want to take above this previous important highs, then for example above this important highs and this previous lows. This will be also really important area, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. Of course you can take more take profit targets, but this is the most important ones that you need to take. So let's say with like 5-6 take profit targets, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like from 11.4, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 7, something like that, which is in my opinion really great long setup. On the other hand, if you want to use it as a potential short entry, then you need to wait here for a breakdown, fake out, and then a resistance confirmation. In this case, you need to place your stop loss above the high that we will trade during the fake out. Let's assume stop loss will be around 9%, 9.2, 10%, something like that. And your last take profit target, you need to place above this bullish order block area. This trade can give us risk reward ratio up to 3.9, and with multiple take profit targets, we will get risk reward ratio more like 2.83, something like that, which is like not bad, but it's not as good as with the long scenarios. And in my opinion, in the long time perspective, you will be probably more profitable if you will be opening only long position, because the risk reward ratio and potential profits are always on your side. But if you want to open here a long position anyway, then some of the profits you need to definitely take above this previous lows and this important highs, above this important area, above this previous important lows, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So as I said, risk reward ratio will be to like 2.83, something like that, which is not bad, but is not as good as the long scenario. Definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin. Me personally, I think that in the long time perspective, we are probably going up, and on a daily time frame I want to see breakout and then support confirmation of these areas. And if you, for example, want to copy my exact trades and you want to follow my analysis, then don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. In the upcoming bull market, I am expecting we are gonna take liquidity above this bearish order block area, so above the level $0.54 mark, which will give us from a current level potential potential pump around like 120% of a net market, but this is a low bottom that I'm expecting. Of course, we can go much higher. So as I said, let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts in the comments. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. See ya.